वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल हैप्पीनेस। कैसे हो आप लोग? कैसे हैं? कैसा जा रहा है आप लोग का टाइम? और आई होप अब तो सब कुछ अच्छा हो गया होगा जहाँ से भी आप लोग मुझे देख रहे हैं। तो हम लोग के यहाँ पे एज यूजुअल सब कुछ ओपन हो गया है, हम लोग अपने डेली रूटीन पे आ चुके हैं। सो आई होप आप लोग के वहाँ भी सब अच्छा चल रहा होगा एंड हैप्पी रमजान। सो आज के व्लॉग में हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं हाउ टू चूज कॉलेज फॉर MBA। थोड़ा सा मेरे थ्रोट में इन्फेक्शन, थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, तो प्लीज़ मैनेज कीजिएगा आज के व्लॉग के साथ में। एंड आज के व्लॉग में हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं कि कैसे आप लोग अपने MBA का कॉलेज चूज़ कर सकते हैं। ये मैंने उसी के साथ में सेकंड व्लॉग बनाया है जो पहले मैंने बनाया था ना, कि हाउ यू कैन चूज़ व्हाई यू हैव टू डू MBA, व्हाई MBA इज इम्पॉर्टेंट। सो इट्स लाइक सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ दैट, what is the main factors you have to choose before choosing a college for MBA. So let's get started. So first we will start with what factors we should have keep in mind before choosing a college for MBA. So I request you to take a notebook and a pen, keep in hand, so you can note down important points which is very important for you to choose a college for MBA, because it's like very crucial point of our life. It's like our life, our career, everything depend on the college which we are choosing. So it's very important for us. It's not like that okay, it's a graduation, we have a time. We don't have time after MBA because it's like already we are doing masters. Some people, it's like already after graduation they invest 1 or 2 year in something and then they are getting to MBA. So it's very crucial part of our life. We need to check, it's like rate of investment, how much we are investing, how much we will get return on investment. So these all are the basic things which it's very important. It's like it's the main decision of our life. It's like after 10th we choose which subject, because that is very important for our career. Same like that, it's very crucial part of our life to choose a college for MBA. So first I just want to tell you, this video is not sponsored by any college, so I'm not taking any name of the college or I'm not suggesting you any best college of anywhere. If you want these kind of questions, you can find me on Instagram, you can contact me there. My ID is Eternal Happiness on Instagram. I changed my account name because some people are getting issues of searching me because of my channel name and my different name. So now I changed my Instagram name ID, it's same like my channel name, Eternal Happiness. So first thing is counseling. So we should have make a list of 10 to 15 college and then we should have go there to check the counseling. And don't rely on a counseling because that is a business for that counselor to convince you, right? So we should have keep in mind, we are just going to just get the information. We are not making our decision on the spot or just for one college. So as I told you, we have to make a like note of a 10 or 15 list of a college. So we have to go at least 10, we have to visit 10 colleges for the counseling. After visiting that, we can make a decision which is good and which is not. So after coming home from the any college after counseling, you should have note down a points which they tell you, like fees, placements and industrial exposure, so many things of that college, what all like they are giving you extracurriculum activities and extra thing. And just bear this sound, actually it's coming from the next flat of neighbor, so it's like that sound is coming. So these are the basic thing. Counseling is a first and major important point, and we cannot make our decision with that counselor, right? So we just like going, we just visit the colleges, make a note what all things they are explaining, and after 10 colleges we can compare ratios, average ratios, because suppose there are 80 students in their session that year, and from 80, 40 or 50 people are getting salary of 2 lakhs, right? Package of 2 lakhs. And remaining 10 or 15 people will get 15 lakh, 16 lakh. Remaining are getting 8 or 10 lakh. So their average will be high. But the maximum people are getting salary of 2 lakh. That are very less people who are getting 15 lakhs or 20 lakh package. So we should have to research on that. This is a very important point because I faced that issues at the time of my admission. So that all I'm sharing with my personal experience. So you have to consult with the seniors of that particular institute if you choose that college. So you need to consult with that people only. Search that people on LinkedIn, Facebook, you will get that people, and then contact them and get a proper information about placement figures. Like what is the placement figure, what ratio they are giving. which type of companies are coming. And you cannot rely on 1 or 2 years, because maybe last year they paid some amount and they call that good companies, and that company can choose one people, but that is not benefit for us. We have to choose a college where 80% people are getting good package, not talking about 15 or 20 lakh, but at least 7 to 8 lakh. So whatever your thing is that. So you have to search accordingly, and always check last 5 years students data. Contact that people from each year. You can take 2 or 3 people, contact them, get a basic information. Just tell them like you are looking for college admission and that's why you are contacting them. Definitely they will not tell you any wrong information, and they will not say like why you are asking, because it's the basic thing. I don't think so anyone can like ask you a question why you are like checking and all. Now third point is that we need to check the industrial exposures that institute is taking, which type of industrial trainings they are giving. Because in MBA theoretical knowledge is not important. What you need is market information, market research, which type of activities they are doing, which type of their planned activities for a year, which type of industries they are taking you. Because at the time of admission, counselor will assure you for 10 or 15 industrial exposures, but it's not true. They will take you only 1 or 2. So that is not helpful for you. You have to check that, confirm all these questions from your seniors, from last 5 years student, pass out students. So these all things you should have keep in your mind, and you should have asked that people. So I hope you like my video. I hope this information is very helpful for you. If you find it suitable for you, please make a thumbs up and share my video and subscribe my channel to get more information related to professional tips and related to Dubai information. So thank you for watching my video. Keep keep supporting. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep safe, stay home. Bye bye.